Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a dashed line to your design step by step. Whether you need a dashed line for a presentation, a poster, or just to jazz up your next project, by the end of this video, you'll be able to create one quickly and easily without any guesswork or frustration. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up Canva in your browser or app. I always like to start here because Canva is so intuitive, but even if you're brand new, don't worry, I'll walk you through it slowly. Once you're in, look for the big, friendly Create button. Usually it's in the top right corner or right on your home dashboard. Go ahead and click that. Now from the menu that pops up, select Custom Size. This is really useful if you want to work on a blank canvas that fits your project perfectly. Today we're keeping it simple and manageable. Set your width to 100 pixels and the height to 50 pixels. Why these numbers? Well, they give you enough space to see a clear line without overwhelming your workspace. Of course, later you can adjust these numbers to suit your actual needs. Once you've entered those values, hit Create New Design. Canva will open up a fresh blank canvas at the exact size you picked, ready for your creativity. Now take a look at the sidebar on the left and find the Elements tab. This is where all kinds of ready-made graphics and shapes live, making it super easy to add fun details to your designs. Click on Elements, a whole world of options will pop up right away. In the search bar at the top of that pane, let's type in line. This will instantly bring up various lines and shapes. For what we need, just select the basic straight line, simple and effective. Click on it and it'll appear in the middle of your canvas. Alright, here where we get to the cool part, actually making that line dashed. With the line selected, look up towards the toolbar above your design. You'll see an option called Line Stroke, or sometimes just a little icon that looks like a line. Go ahead and click that. In the drop-down menu, you'll see different styles appear, and one of those options will be a dashed line pattern. Select the dash style and watch your solid line instantly transform into a neat dashed line just like that. But let's take it a step further. Maybe you want to customize the look of your dashed line. Canva lets you choose not just the dash pattern, but also the type of line. You'll find options for straight lines, elbowed lines, which create sharp right angles, great for flowcharts, or even curved lines for a softer, more dynamic feel. So for example, if you're designing a roadmap or connecting steps in a process chart, you might give those alternate line shapes a try to match your design's mood or function. It's all about experimenting and finding what suits your needs. And honestly, that's it. Adding a dashed line in Canva is super straightforward once you know where to find these options. If at any point you can't spot a setting, don't worry, just pause and have a look around because Canva's search is very forgiving and experimenting is part of the fun. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any questions, maybe you're trying out different line styles or struggling with something in Canva, just drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help you out. And of course, subscribe for more simple and practical design tutorials because I've got plenty more tips to share. See you next time.